This skill module covers hazardous area classification in oil and gas facilities at the core knowledge level. This section discusses why this topic is important. As providers of various fuel and chemical products, our industry has an inherently higher risk of explosion and fire than many other industries. Our installations are highly automated, including a great deal of electrical equipment that could become an ignition source for the fuels we produce. Proper identification of risk factors and designating areas that are of risk of explosion due to electrical ignition sources is essential. The correct application of industry and regional standards is compulsory and regulated by law in most of the world. The risks to personnel are too great to ignore. The costs can escalate unnecessarily when concepts are over-applied. This skill module covers the designation, classification of hazardous areas. For more information about installation of electrical equipment in hazardous locations, see Division-Based Equipment Selection and Installation in Oil and Gas Facilities Core, mainly North American application, and Zone-Based Equipment Selection and Installation in Oil and Gas Facilities Core, worldwide application.